We lost our signals for a second. Sorry.
Cruising down A Street, off-white Lexus, driving so.
Look, it's delirious. It doesn't know what to do.
I'm drooling.
It doesn't know what to do with itself. So we're gonna take it. We're gonna kill it. Come on. Well, come on then. Bring it into the den. Jesus Christmas!
I ain't doing it no more.
That
Says
that or I'm too weak. I hate how they changed the Doritos logo.
Oh, hot.
No, it's not. It's so not.
Triangle's hot.
This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm
So
hot.
when those kids just bought ugly in 8th grade and then you come back to high school, you're like, damn.
Damn. Alright, so we're waiting for Nicholas. He died? How? He was poisoned. God!
Damn it, you got trouble.
From what? Sea breeze. Oh, sea breeze!
Ready? Pirouettes, bro. Can you do a pirouette?
This is the Julia, once again,
Ready?
in her natural habitat. It's called Zumba. Good workout, guys.
Gonna tidy up home.
Good workout.
If y'all see my home or my casa.
It's Pimp My Crib.
Yeah, we ran out of ham, so if you could fix that.
We ran out of ham. So,
Upstairs we had to make sandwiches for my brother's lacrosse team. I also made them Nutella.
Speaking of Nutella, oh my God, there it is. There it is.
This is how I eat it, actually.
Bring 6 spoons over here.
That's how I eat it.
Is that a straw? Yeah, no, it's too Nutella-y.
Don't make fun of me.
We're all making fun of you, Julia.
Don't judge me. We turn into wall art.
What? It's beautiful.
Makes it look a little more nature. I got Nutella in my teeth.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you do.
Let's get close up of that Nutella.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Twerk team.
Twerk, not make it word now, Mark. Oh, it's twerk, make it word now, Mark.
I twerked on the wall the other day. Should I try it? Should I try it again?
Teach me how to Dougie, sure. They be asking. What? Will you teach me how to Dougie?
You know why?
Because
I'm a bitch that love me.
All I need is a piece of bomb, and for you back it up and Dougie. Put your arms up. Oh, twerk team. Twerk.
Ready?
Come on, twerk. Twerk. That was good. Team Bella,
bitch.
Boom. Alright, so we're gonna
There's
go.
still Nutella in my teeth.
We're gonna go.
There's still Nutella in my teeth. Is for shout out to my main. His name is Nicholas. He might or might not be my brother. We still don't know if I'm adopted. But anyway, goodbye. Best wishes to y'all on your explorations and National Weed Day.
Woo! Team Bella!
Hey, Bella!
Bam!